Hi, good afternoon. This is Seth Pickens with Live Oak Exteriors, out here at the Mincey household with my coworker Jordan. So we're going to do, well, first off, I want to say I appreciate the repair estimate that we got. I'm going to go ahead and perform a repair attempt today on this shingle here. I'm going to write this down. Okay, this is the shingle, Jordan, if you want to show them here. This is the wind damage shingle documented by Allstate that needs to be replaced. This is the group that it's in. Before we started, I did want to show the camera that I got my shingle gauge over here, and these shingles are registering as a discontinued 20-year 3-tab. So I just wanted to point that out before we got through with the repair attempt. So in the event of trying not to manipulate the shingles too much to cause any damage, I like to use a dull point for my shingle gauge to unseal these and the ones above, because those will be affected during the attempt here. So here we go. There it goes. These corners are already undone. Trying to keep them as flat as I can. All right, they're all unsealed. Start removing the nails. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna pause here. Jordan, if you'll come, you can see a crease is starting to form across these on the top as well, as I'm trying to manipulate the shingles down here and get the nails out. So I just wanted that documented for the video. Shingles out. This is the damaged shingle. I'm going to throw this over here. All right, I'm going to get the rest of the nails out. Okay, so it looks like all the nails are out. So I'm just going to do a light swipe on these top 4 here. because if I was going to put another shingle in, more manipulation would have to happen. Okay. So you can see there's creases starting to form. I didn't even wipe this one yet on these shingles here. So to bar any more damage to the roof, I'm just going to go back to the truck and get a tarp, and we're going to tarp this area. Thank you for everything you've given us so far, and we'll send this in as soon as we can. Thanks.